Nightmare Holdout I. Bring in a dev, put him on hold. Bring in 16 Wastelanders and just spread them out. And you're done. It's just that easy. Oh, get over there. Wherever you think you might need them, is a certain point where all right, put them all on hold. And now, just kill. Okay, there's one right there. So we will send a Wastelander out to kill him. And that's it. That's all that you do. Let's have a little growling. There, you got some growling in the background. But that's it. You're basically done at this point. Only thing you're going to do is when the little buggies come that throw zombies at you, you just go out and kill them. And these guys will help you, but you'll get very little damage. You'll do all 4 bases this way. And the biggest thing is you just have to wait it out. There's nothing to it. Just leave them there. The Wastelanders will kill everything. You'll get minimal damage. And whenever those little buggies come, just send one of the Wastelanders out to get rid of it. Just keep your eye open wherever they might be coming from. But for the rest, okay, there's one. Let's go get them. You don't always notice them, but all of a sudden when you see zombies flying towards you, you know, okay, there's a buggy over there. They come from up here, they come from down here. So there's certain areas where you can expect them. But it's just, at this point, it's just boring. Just wait it out. It really is that easy. Oh, I forgot to start the bonus. I'm only going to get a little bit. Usually I have a bonus running. This time I forgot to start the bonus, so I won't get as much XP. But I got 9 million XP that I can't use anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Every time these things show up, I get it. Get some more guys to fight for you. Put them on. Put all those guys on aggressive, they'll go out and fight for you. Now I just watch for the little buggies that throw the zombies. Because if you don't kill them, the wave won't end. And usually they stay far away. The quicker you kill them, the quicker you're done. There's one. Get rid of him. Here come the planes. They die pretty quickly. That's it. That's how easy it was to do the first base. I said I didn't get much. I usually get way more than that, but I forgot to start my second bonus. So we'll go in, we'll repair them. We'll start our second bonus. Which one's running? Okay, the 150. Get the other bonus running here. Unlock. Let's try to unlock another. I never did this before, but let's try it. See if we can unlock another 150. I don't think it'll let me. Oh, it did. It just extended it. All right, just extended it. So you got 2 minutes repair. That's it. Let's go do Holdout II. There's a holdout. Let's go get it. So again, Devon, 16 Wastelanders. You do the same thing with all 4 bases. It's just that easy, just that quick. First you do put Devon, put him on hold. Bring your Wastelanders in, spread them out. Usually by the time I get them spread out, wave 1 is already over. We're just trying to put them wherever we think we need another one. You don't even need 16. I have 16, but you don't need 16. You can get by with less. Once they get there, I put them all on hold, move him over a little bit. Put them on hold. That's it. Okay, there's a buggy. Go kill it. Just look for the buggies. That will make the waves go quicker. Okay, he's gone. Put him on hold. And just wait a moment. It's literally just as easy. Okay, there's something that'll help us. Go get it. Come back here. Put him on hold. Put him on aggressive. These guys will fight for you. You see that when you put them out, spread them out like this, they kill stuff before it even comes on the screen. You don't need to be close. Spread them out. Let them do their job so that as quickly as possible you can finish the base. Okay, there's one right there. Kill that. There's one right there. Kill that. I think this will end this wave. We kill these 2. I think these are the last 2 in the wave. Nope. There it is. Okay, now it's done. Put them all on hold. You just watch the stuff come. That's all you do. You just keep looking for where the buggy's coming from. And sometimes they'll give you a hint. Wherever they're going, something's coming from that direction. So, but usually there's very, very little you do. But you do have to watch the buggies, because if you don't watch for them, they're so far away that they will never die if you don't send somebody out to kill them. And you could run out of time. So you can't just walk away. But really, you don't do anything. Usually it ends with several buggies. There's one there. There's one there. Planes will go down really easy. Usually there's one up here somewhere. But there's not right now. Maybe that's another. That's it. Just that easy. Just that quick. What did we get? There we go. 1,225,000. Let's take them back and see how much damage you got. Really, you should have next to nothing. Even if you do get more than 5 minutes, because you can repair them individually, 9 minutes. Okay, you think you have 9 minutes. Take a few of these guys out, and you see you have instant repair. So you could literally kill these bases all day long. That's it. Just that easy, just that quick.